Welcome to a video on dropshipping. Are you tired of working a 9 to 5 job and dreaming of starting your own business? Well, let me tell you something. Dropshipping is a great way to turn that dream into a reality. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't stock the product it sells. Instead, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. And let me tell you, the benefits of dropshipping are endless. First of all, it has low startup costs. According to e-commerce platforms, the average cost to start a dropshipping business is around $2,000 compared to traditional businesses where the cost can reach up to $100,000. Second, it offers flexibility. You can sell a wide range of products without having to worry about storage. Plus, you can easily expand your product line as your business grows. According to a survey, 41% of e-commerce entrepreneurs said that one of the main advantages of dropshipping is the ability to test different products without a large upfront investment. However, like with anything, there are some drawbacks to consider. For example, you may not have as much control over shipping because you are relying on a third-party supplier. Additionally, your profit margins may be lower than buying wholesale. One of the key things to keep in mind is to find a niche that is in demand. Next, you need to find a reliable supplier and research the products, pricing, and shipping times before you commit fully to work with them. Overall, dropshipping can be a great way to start an e-commerce business, but it requires some planning and research to be successful. If you're looking for a way to start your own business with a lower overhead, consider giving dropshipping a try. And don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you next time.